Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have these fast charger 45 watt USB-C charging cable. So let's open this up, see what we get inside. Alright, so you get two chargers, which is awesome. I'm always looking for chargers all the time. And then it comes with your USB-C cable. You got two of them actually, which is great. One for each charger. And then let's open this up. And you get a generously long, as long as I don't put a knot in it, generously long 6-foot USB cable. And it has the little Velcro strap on it, which is great, so you can curl it up so if you go traveling. Alright, so let's plug this in. We got that going there. Got that on that side. And let me just take my case off because I use a little magnetic charger. And then we're going to plug that in. And right away it acknowledges the fast charging by the double lightning bolt on the screen. So, and it says super fast charging, 2.0, 89% I am right now. So it basically says that this phone will charge up in 18 minutes with that at 89%. So that is like really awesome. So a really super fast charging charger times 2. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.